degree really caters to people that are really passionate about animals, passionate about wildlife, that really want to secure a future for people and wildlife together.
This degree is really open to what careers it provides. It doesn't lock you into one certain job. So you could be working conservation in legislation change, you'd be working in conservation in research, and we provide students with those skills to move into those spaces once they graduate.
The goal every single day is to get the students out in grounds learning with the animals, with the teams here at the zoo, to really give you that real context. Both institutions have amazing expertise, and having a program that brings all of that together is really an asset to our students.